Welcome to XII. Here we do very amazing things and we live in a different dimension of the world. In this video we will know the basics of Pydroid 3. One thing to note here that XII does not have endorsement of this application and I'm not being paid by them. So these are the following steps to know how to install any library say Pandas and start playing with them. So, 1. Open Pydroid. 2. Click on the top 3 bar. 3. Then click on the pip that is PIP. 4. A search box appears. 5. Write Pandas in the search box and click Install. 6. If the plugin repo is installed and the phone is connected to the internet, the library will install. 7. If the plugin repo is not installed, the plugin repository have to install from the Play Store. 8. The Pandas will install from the above process. Now the Pandas are installed in the system and can be used by import function. We, here, create Hello World program. As shown in video, I made a Hello World program using Python Pandas with series. Hope I have made you understand the working phenomenon of Pydroid 3. Also have a look to the playlist. Playing with Pandas. If you still have any query, feel free to write it in the comments and also show your support through comments and likes, and if you are new to us, to subscribe to XII. Thank you.